So we will do today next chapter of Footprints Without Feet. Chapter number 6, The Making of a Scientist. Making of a scientist. So here the title means that how the person became a scientist. What were the conditions in which he got motivation to become a scientist? Let's have a look on the content. This chapter is an account of a curious child channelizing his curiosity to become a scientist. Richard H. Ebright is the leading scientist. He has contributed significantly to biochemistry and molecular biology. Ebright began his journey by collecting butterflies. After that, he worked on tagging the monarch butterflies so that the scientists community could be benefited. So what is here? Tagging. Tagging means um, to put a label attached to something for identification. Later on, he did research on utility of gold spots on pupa of monarch butterflies. Pupa is an immature stage of an insect. He became famous when his paper on working of a cell was published in a scientific journal. So here paper means his article. It was published in scientific journal. So what is journal here? It can be newspaper or magazine that uh, clarifies with particular subject and that deals with particular subject. Ebright participated in many exhibitions, but winning an award for the sake of winning was never his goal. So, what does this line mean? He was not only doing experiment just to win the goal. What was his aim? His aim was to do something innovative or to have achievement. It was not only for award or not only for prize. Stunned, the word. Stunned means more than surprise. You can say shocked, the word. Richard H. Ebright, at the age of 22, stunned the scientific community with his innovative theory on how cells work, especially in butterflies. So, this was his theory he discovered. Ebright and his college roommate explained the theory in an article. Then that article was printed in a journal. Ebright's first achievement. It was first time the scientific journal had published the work of college students. Means this journal was related to scientific experiments, and in this journal only achieved things, some innovative things were printed. And first time the college students were having their articles printed in the journal. It was like making a big leagues in sports at the age of 15. So at the age of 15, when in cricket anybody would make runs and records, it was equal to that, just only at the age of 15. It was the first in the long string of achievement in science and other fields, and it all started with butterflies. So see, the name of the journal was Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. This was the name of the journal. This was a magazine. Childhood period. He lived in north of Reading. It is in which place? It is in Pennsylvania, and he was the only child of his parents and had no siblings. Siblings means brothers and sisters, and companions means friends, means wherever he was living he was alone. Soon he developed the hobby of collecting things. Soon means when he was just 3 old. Particularly fascinated by butterflies, he started collecting them in kindergarten. Kindergarten means in KG classes. He also collected rocks, fossils, and coins. He also became a stargazer and an eager astronomer. Stargazer means looking at the stars throughout the night time and thinking about the stars like an astronomer. Now, mother's role. When he was very small, just before going to school, mother's role was very important. It was very vital. Bright's mother played a great role. Great role in what? In becoming a scientist. She had recognized his curiosity very early. Very early means just at the age of 2 and 3, and she encouraged him. She took him on trips. Trips means outings, and also bought him telescopes, microscopes, cameras, and other equipments so that he could follow his hobbies. Bright's mother was his friend until he started school. She would bring home friends for him so that he could play. She found learning tasks for him, means books were brought, other things matters, content were brought for him to learn the things related to his interest. What was interest? Butterfly. Consequently, he earned top grades in school. Top grades, top results. By the time he was in second grade is here class. When he was in second class, he had collected 25 species of butterflies from around the hometown. Wherever he was living, he collected 25 different type of butterflies just only in second class. Now see, by the second grade, Bright had collected all 25 species of butterflies found in reading. Reading is a place. So see here, all these 25 species are given here in the table. You can read all these species. Tagging butterflies. So what is tagging? Tagging means putting a label attached to the body of butterflies for their identification. Label of what? Label of their receiving, label of their category, like this. One day, Bright's mother gave him a book titled The Travel of Monarch X. This was the name of the book. It was given by mother. It described how monarch butterflies. Monarch is a type of category of butterfly, and this category is the we can say of it is a high category, high class butterflies category, and this monarch butterflies migrate to Central of America. This book attracted him. The author had offered the readers to help study butterfly migrations. They were asked to tag butterflies for research by Dr. Frederick Urquhart of Toronto University, Canada. So, in the last of this work, the readers were given one opportunity to contact or to send the message of their tagging butterflies to a scientist, or we can say a professor in Toronto University, Canada. His name was Dr. Frederick Urquhart. Anyone who found a tagged butterfly was asked to send the tag to Dr. Urquhart. Bright started tagging monarch butterflies. However, the butterfly season in reading was only 6 weeks. Means he could do that experiment only for 6 weeks. Because in that area you could find he could find butterflies only for 6 weeks, which made it difficult for Bright to tag many butterflies. So he lost the interest in tagging the butterflies. See here, these are the stages of growth of butterfly, from pupa to caterpillar, and then caterpillar to butterfly. Science fair. Bright began to lose interest in tagging butterflies because there was no feedback. By the time Bright reached the 7th grade, means 7th class, he got busy with other scientific experiments. So he was not having time to search the butterflies, to tag them, and then to leave them. and also after 6 weeks no more butterflies were received in the place where he was living. He participated in a county science fair with slides of frog tissues. Now, when he was in 7th class, he participated in an exhibition. So, what is county here? County is not a country. County is a territorial division of some countries where he participated. But he did not win any prize. The problem was that he made an exhibition of only displaying the things, not the innovative, or we can say working model was not there. So he decided to do further research on insect. So then in 7th grade, after losing in the county science fair, Bright learned that real science was about experiments rather than displays. So why wasn't he able to win the prize? Because he displayed his content, but actually what was the requirement? Experiment, that is to create something new and do some experiments. His competitive spirit was kindled. Kindle means actual meaning of kindled is to set on fire, but here it is motivated, encouraged, and he wrote to the author of the book The Travels of Monarch X, Dr. Urquhart, for the ideas. Ideas related to what? What to do, which type of experiments could be done, so that he could participate in next time in next competition and he could win the prize. So here it will be continued in the next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Stay healthy.